We'd have this many people show up after the rain last night. I live right behind the park. My property is adjacent to the park, so I can jump over the fence and come over. It's a great place to come enjoy. I'd really like to welcome everybody. I'd like to thank all of you for being here. This is our second bird walk, second annual bird walk that we've had. It's the third time we've participated in the Texas Community Challenge. Last year we came in fifth place, I believe. Was it fifth?
Fifth.
Yeah. Fifth place. Year before it was first place, so we kind of let ourselves down. It's a great opportunity for everyone to see the community. It's a great opportunity to get in a little bit better shape. And better yet, it's just a great opportunity to come out and enjoy the outdoors. So I'm really glad to see everyone here. We've had a great support from the Dripping Springs Birding Group. The never can remember your name.
Wild Birds.
The Wild Birds Unlimited have been out here doing a lot of work, and we also need to give a lot of props to the master naturalists, as they've done so much out of this park to get it going and get it started. So it's a really neat park. It's a great thing to do, and I thank y'all for being here. Last year, like I said, we were fifth place. This year, we're hoping to come back to first place. We won about $1,800 in that first year. We were able to improve trails out at the park. We used them at DSRP last year. I'd hope that we could use them here this year. I don't know, but we'll definitely be improving the parks. So I just wanted to say thank y'all. We need to keep trying to live healthy, keep enjoying our neighborhood, keep enjoying our community, and helping wherever we can. I don't know of anything better to do than be out in the day to day. So I want to thank you again. I hope you'll come out. I hope you'll attend city council meetings or parks meetings and see how you can get involved in the community. Thank y'all all for being here.
Thank you.